So this is part B of the homework. Well, it's just continuing on from the video, but it says, number 13, the ratio of the length to width of a rectangle is 5 to 2. Express the difference between the length and the width of the rectangle as a fraction of the length of the rectangle. Let's read that again. Express the difference between the length and the width of the rectangle as a fraction of the length of the rectangle. That's a mouthful. So we'll start right off and I already drew the rectangle, but we know that the length to width ratio is 5 to 2. You have to draw these pictures out, people. This helps so much. Now you've got a picture that you can work off of. Express the difference between the length and the width of the rectangle. So we've got to find the difference first. And the way we find difference is we subtract. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Now, we have the difference. Now we have to find the length, and we know the length is 5. So it's 3 over 5. Moving on. Express the width of the rectangle as a fraction of the perimeter. So we know that the width is 2. So width 2. But we have to find the perimeter. How do we find the perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around a shape or an object. So we would add up all the sides. 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 5. And I always try to match up my tens. So 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 2 is 14. And our perimeter is 14. Now, it says that we have to keep these all in simplest form. So that would be divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2, and we get 1/7. And that would be our answer. As we're looking onto this, it says describe a situation that each ratio could represent. Now, this is really up to your discretion. I could say that I have 5 boys in my class, to 16 students. Now, do not write this example down because I want you to make up your own. So, figure out situations where we could have 98 to 3 and 1,000 to 1. Okay? And hopefully this helps you guys out. Have a good one. Take it easy.